I wonder what would happen if the USA invaded North Korea. I wonder what would happen if the USA invaded North Korea. I wonder what would happen if a bear and a bull got into a fight. What would happen if a bear and a bull got into a fight? I wonder what would happen if Mad English TV hit 1 million subscribers. Wow, that would be amazing. Hit means reach. If I reach 1 million subscribers, okay, I wonder what would happen if Mad English TV reached 1 million subscribers. That would be amazing. Reach and hit mean the same thing. Okay, I wonder what would happen if you crossed a lion and a tiger. A lion and a tiger. Okay, crossed means cross-breeding. Okay, that's when two animals of different species mate. Okay, mate. So mate means to have sex. When we talk about animals, we don't use the word sex. We use the word mate. Okay, so this is called mating. Okay, a lion is mating with a tiger. Okay, what would happen if a lion crossed or got crossed or was crossbred? There's different ways we can say it. Crossbreeding, the past would be crossbred. Okay, what would happen if a lion was crossbred with a tiger? I have no idea. Okay, so take a look at these sentences. I want you to notice the verb. Okay, I wonder what would happen if the USA invaded. Invaded, that's the past tense verb. Okay, what would happen if they invaded North Korea? I wonder what would happen if a bear and a bull got. That's a past tense verb, simple past. Okay, there's a lot of different past tenses, but I'm talking about the simple past. Okay, I wonder what would happen if you crossed a lion and a tiger. Again, here we have the simple past tense. Okay, so when we talk about hypothetical situations, hypothetical means not real, possible. It's a possible situation. Okay, so we're thinking, I wonder what would happen if the USA invaded North Korea. I wonder what would happen if a lion and a tiger mated with each other. Okay, so it's a hypothetical situation. We're just imagining. Okay, so when we have this kind of situation, we use the simple past verb tense. Okay, I wonder what would happen if. So I want you to make a sentence with, I wonder what would happen if. Use your imagination, whatever you want to say. Okay, post your sentence down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.